Poori Paratha is a popular bread from Karachi, Pakistan. It can be served with various meals. Especially, barbecue is incomplete without Poori Paratha. Let's see how to make it.
Hello everyone. For Poori Paratha, we need the same dough we use for Poori. The link for the Poori recipe is provided in description. And we need some oil to spray. First we will make the portions. Spray some oil on the surface. We need this small portion, you can see. Now we will roll it. Spray some oil on the surface. Now roll it. Now we will cook it. My pan is preheated. Spray some oil. If you see some dry patches, you can spray more oil. You can see Poori Paratha is ready from both sides.